Good evening, friends. Today I'm going to talk about a very important leaf or a green called Mulla Murunga in Tamil. All of you must have been used to Moringa leaves around the world, and especially South Indians, especially Tamils, we are used to very much used to Murunga elai we call which is nothing but drumstick leaves which we use in our day-to-day life, food, etc. And today we are going to talk about Mulla Murungai, which is a very common food item once upon a time, just I would say about 2 decades back. But nowadays, no one is using it in the food as well as in their medicine items. My son was getting continuous cough and sneezing, and every 10 days, he was getting fever, and it was really very tough for us to reduce the cough and the sneeze. And one fine day he got the chest cough, which is very dry and it is very unstoppable, and I was so upset and I did not know what to do for that. So there I found this highly beneficial leaf, which has been suggested by my son's headmistress, and she suggested when her son got pneumonia at the age of 1, a doctor suggested this leaves to be consumed every morning with honey. And after that I asked one of my grandmother who had these leaves at her home, and she gave me the leaves. Now we are drying, you can see the dry patch of leaves now. So I want it to get more dry for another 10-15 days, and then I'm going to powder it with the help of a mixer or a blender. Then use that powder with honey every morning, so your kids cough, I don't know, whatever kind of cough, it will become better and the immunity will get boosted. I hope this video is helpful. This is called Mullu Murungai in Tamil, and I don't know the English name of it. Probably I'll check it and I will add it. It is in the branch, I think it comes under the Moringa leaves branch. It's called Mullu Murungai. Okay, you just have to dry it, and not under the sun. Make sure you're not doing it directly, putting it under sun, which will reduce the benefits of it, which has high immunity power also. So try it for your kids with cough. Yeah, thank you.